morning everyone, and welcome to Tanya's Days and Tips. Today I'm going to show you guys chicken karai. It's a little bit different from other karais because I'm going to use two type of onions. One is one that I cut it so small, and another is gold shape, very thin. And here in this we are using peas. And here are this one is 1 tablespoon dry garlic cumin, and this one is garam masala. This one is tandoori masala. This one is dry coriander, and we need some fresh coriander also. And here is fresh garlic. So everything is just ready, guys, and my oil is also warm, so let's put in it and start the procedure. Yes, so I'm going to put the meat in it first, and we're going to move it a little bit like that. Yes. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add the garlic in it. Like that. And moving it a little bit. Like, okay. Okay. And then I'm going to add all of these ingredients and move it or mix it. Yes, guys, like that. So we are putting it until it takes a little bit nice taste, and moving it a little bit like that. Okay. Yes, so we are covering it like about two minutes. Yes, guys, so now I'm going to add the onion, which I cut it in really small pieces, and going to mix it very well. Yes, guys, so now I'm going to put the tomatoes, and mixing it well, and then I'm going to put it like 10 minutes and covering it. Yes, guys, so it looks like that now, and what we're going to do is that we're going to add our onion in it and mix it well, and again we're going to wait for some about 10 minutes. Okay. Yes, so now we're going to add our peas also, and then we're going to wait like about 10 minutes. And when it's completely ready, then we are going to add our fresh coriander. Then it's ready to serve. So I'm going to put it like about 10 minutes. Guys, and welcome after 10 minutes. So you see, guys, it is completely like ready. So what we are going to do is that the last thing that we are going to add our coriander in it, fresh coriander. Yes. And now what we are going to do, we are going to mix it well, and then we are not going to turn off the heat until it is until it will soak its water. As you see, guys, it has a little bit water, so it will soak like in 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So when it is soaked, then our karai, chicken karai, is completely ready for serving. Yes guys. Yes guys, so the water is completely soaked and it looks like that, and I hope you guys like it. So in here I'm going to end my day with you guys, and I hope that you guys like it and make it for you guys. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye bye.